I bounce my phone down, like literally nothing will happen, and I know that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your very own Annette, and today we are going to review some very lovely iPhone cases. But before we get started, if anyone out there is new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also do click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now basically, for anyone out there who is new to my channel, if you guys don't know, this is Annette and my channel is based on like everything. For example, every Sunday I upload a cooking recipe for you guys to make cooking for you all very simple. So today I'm here to review some very interesting and lovely covers for my iPhone 8 Plus. So now to start with the first cover over here which I'm having is the classic green color. So this was the cover which I fell in love with the first time I saw it, because it was having a golden border, and I just love gold color as it gives you a very classy feel. So without wasting time, let me put on my phone and show you, friends. And this cover also gives your phone a slim look, so that is a plus point for it. It looks so pretty, isn't it, guys? So moving on to the next cover. Next cover I'm going to show you guys is the leather cover. That is the red maroonish color, which is very nice and pretty. I always like taking, covers with different colors so that I can change my cover as per my outfit. So it looks very classy wherever you go and matching on this at the same time. So this is a leather cover which is also having a golden border to it. And it is fully protected, friends. It will protect your phone like 100%. Like, let me show you guys. So there goes my cover. So there you can see. It looks so nice, isn't it? It's having a lens protection too. And here also it's fully protected in your edges over here. So even if you drop it, no issues. Nothing is going to harm your phone. And over here also in the borders, like as you guys can see, it's literally a little bit up than your phone. So even if you keep it like this, nothing is going to happen to your screen. So that is really nice, and it really looks classy. Wherever you go, it looks posh. It really gives you a posh feel, friends, like this. So we'll move on to the next cover. Next cover is my all-time favorite, friends, as this is a marble cover. Yes, my friends, this is a maroonish marble cover, as you guys can see, and it is having a lovely hanging with a lovely charm over here. So I can just put in my hand like this and I can hold my phone. This looks very classy and very decent. I always use this cover whenever I go out for parties, like I can flaunt. And yes, of course, for sure, all my friends are going to ask me like, from where did you get this cover in it? So it looks so nice and decent. Like, see, like even you can hold it like this. It looks really very pretty. Y'all can have a look at it. I'm surely going to find the links of all these. I have purchased a few from eBay, a few from Amazon, and a few from the Shopee website. So I'm going to find the links for all these covers and I'm going to upload. I'm going to put it up in the description section. Really amazing, isn't it, friends? Moving on to the next cover. This is another favorite of mine. This cover I mostly use when I go like on a beach or something, because I don't want my camera to get all messy by the sand entering into it. So this is a suitcase cover.
Suitcase cover.
Suitcase. So this is a suitcase cover, and do you know why? Because it has the same bumpy effect like how a suitcase have. It's really nice feel, my friends, like see. So it's that effect. And also the best part about this cover is that it has the lens protection. Like see, you can literally cover your lens. Like let me put on my phone in it so I can show you, friends, the proper view of my cover. Can you see it? Look at it. It looks so nice, friends. It looks so amazing. I literally don't think I have to explain to you, friends, this cover. It gives you full protection, and it also has this so that you can add in your hanging. Look at it. Very nice, isn't it, friends? So without wasting much time, let's move on to my next cover. So the next cover is very, very nice, and it's my favorite color. Any guesses? Yay! It's the pink cover with nice bubbly hearts onto it. So as you guys can see, it looks so pretty. It looks so glamorous. I literally fell in love with this cover the first time I saw it. So I didn't have a second thought in my mind. I just put it into my cart, shopping cart. So you guys can see its hearts are literally like bubbly out. So it gives us such a good feel to hold it in my hands. Let me show you all. Look at it. It looks so classy. See. And this too is a fully protected cover. So even if you drop your phone, nothing is going to happen. It's very tight. It's not going to easily come out. It looks so pretty. Like a demonstration I want to give you, friends, every time I show you a cover. So it looks so nice and so amazing. So now let's move on to my next cover. Next cover is not so favorite, but yeah, my better half had gifted me the cover as he knew that I'm crazy about covers. But I really don't know what made him buy a black color because I just hate black. I hope he's not watching this part.
I hope he's not watching this part.
So, but whatever it is in my collection, so it is my duty to show you all. So it is like this. It has a somewhat matte finish, and this too is a leather, and it is quite thin, so it doesn't make your phone so fat sort of. So I'm just going to show you, friends. Look at this. So it keeps your phone, so it's a bit dirty, so sorry for this, friends. I hardly use this case, so this case is just lying there in my drawer. So here it's having this opening part over here, like to show on the logo. There you can see me from its mirror effect, and it looks so cool. Mostly some girls I know, they are going to love this cover, so I won't be able to give you the link for this particular cover as this was bought from my hubby and I really don't know from where he got it from, so excuse me for that, guys. And this is also a leather cover, see. So let's move on to the next one. Next one is my very close to me favorite one. Whenever I want to use my phone rough and tough, like like this and like this, I use this particular cover, which is that. Ta-da! So it's this milky cover which I use, and look at its shape, friends. It's having a different shape and it looks so much pretty. It gives me a milky feeling. And let me add on my phone into it and show you, friends. And your phone is like fully protected. Now nowadays I'm using this cover only because I don't know why, because I'm just in love with this cover, as it is fully protected. As even if I bounce my phone down, like literally nothing will happen, and I know that. So I'm really in love with this cover, friends. So it looks so classy, and these days I'm literally using this cover. I'm just not removing it out from my phone. So as you guys can see, it looks so much prettier when it's on the phone. Nothing will happen even if I drop it, because I have so much confidence onto this cover of mine that nothing will happen, as it is thick on the sides. Just look at its shape, friends. Look at its shape. It looks so well, so very nice, and it gives 100% protection to my entire phone. So it's very much pretty, and it looks so much decent whenever I receive a phone call or whenever I am like literally using my phone. So it's like, so it's so pretty, isn't it, guys? So let's move on to my next cover. My next cover is a greenish cover, and I purchased this cover literally because it was very thin. So it is like whenever I want to show off my phone and also to protect it, I put on this cover for my phone because it has the exact cutout of the logo and it is fully protected as well. So it also has this opening slot for the charging point, as you all can see. So I can close this and I can save my charging point as well, so that there's no dust entered into it. And this still looks very classy when you're using it. So literally moving on to my last cover. So my last cover for this day and for this video is the crystal clear case. But wait a minute, you think I ever keep my phone with a clear case? No, actually I don't like keeping my phone with a clear case. I don't know why, but to whoever likes keeping, let me show you guys how it looks like. So it's like when you wear this type of clear cases, you're protecting your phone as well, you're showing which brand you're using. So you can literally flaunt. Now what I'm going to do is, I have a set of 5, literally like, you know, purchase these type of stickers and keep handy, so that whenever I purchase any transparent sort of cover, I can decorate it with my cute little stickers. Like, let me show you, friends. So what I do basically is I just enter the stickers, I just put on the stickers literally inside like this. I do not stick them onto the phone, so I don't want to waste my stickers as well, so that I can keep on upgrading or changing the stickers as per my mood over here. And there you see my cover looks something like this. So this looks much better, isn't it? Look at it. Much better? Yes, of course. Wait a moment, don't leave yet, as I have not yet done for my cover for my little iPods. So I literally don't forget my iPods to buy literally new covers for it as well. So recently I have got a new cover for it, which looks so much pretty, and it's a pretty pink color. So let me just put it on for my iPods and show you, friends, how exactly it looks. Look at it. It looks so pretty. And it's a hardcover, friends, so that makes it even more decent. It's having a nice shine. I really don't know if you friends can make out. And it's just having this pretty charm, which even makes it more classy to roam out with it wherever you go. I just fell in love when I saw this cover for my iPods. So it really looks nice and I really like this charm, and it is detachable, so whenever I want I can remove it, or whenever I want I can just add it onto it back again. So that's all for today's video, my friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching the entire video, and if you guys have made it to the end, I literally want to thank each one of you for supporting me so much and watching the entire video. And please to share on this video to your friends and family members as well, and the ones who are literally crazy about phone cases like me. And please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon as well, because I am very soon going to come up with my unboxing of my new iPhone. If you friends literally want to catch me up on my Instagram or Facebook, so these are my IDs. Please do not forget to go and follow me on them. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.